If you're a math student and want to up your grades in the subject, you'll first have to realize one thing. Being good at maths isn't by luck. You can't just flip through your textbook for a few minutes, then march into the exam hall and expect to magically get fabulous grades like all the geniuses from K-dramas. If you want to be an A+ math student, you need to have the habits of an A+ math student. Now, at this point, you're probably wondering, what kind of habits? Don't you worry. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 10 things you should be doing during your study sessions to increase your math grades and possibly be a class topper. First tip, don't just glance through solutions in your textbook. If when you're studying math, all you do is visually scan the questions and the answers, you might think you've learned the work well enough. But it's fake confidence. It's easy to assume you know the answers when you haven't actually worked on the questions before. Your brain doesn't learn from watching, it learns from doing. So whenever you're studying math, always pick up your pen or pencil and actually work through the problems yourself. Second tip, stop skipping the questions you fail during your study sessions. Those are the exact questions that expose your weak spots. Go back to them. Redo them. If you get them wrong again, redo them a third time. Keep going until you finally get it right. This is how you train your brain to stop panicking during exams. Third tip, master the simple questions before jumping into the hard ones. Hard problems are just simple problems stacked together like Lego blocks. If your foundation isn't solid, everything else collapses. So don't be shy to practice the basics again and again. Get your addition, subtraction, substitution, expansion, factorization skills tight. Make sure all the simple operations feel automatic. Once you're comfortable with the basics, the complicated stuff suddenly becomes way less scary. Fourth tip, dedicate more time to the topics that frustrate you. Everyone has that one topic that makes them want to drop their pencil and walk out the window. For some people, it's trigonometry. For others, it's calculus. Whatever it is for you, give it more time. For example, if you spend 30 minutes on the topics that are easier for you, spend a full hour on the hard ones. This way, there's a higher chance of you understanding the topic better eventually. Fifth tip, cover every topic in the syllabus, not just the ones you vibe with. You can't enter an exam hall hoping the teacher magically forgets the topics you ignored. That's not how life works. Make a checklist of all the topics for the school year and tick them off one by one. This way, your attention is spread out evenly and you aren't caught off guard when you see any topic in the math tests. Sixth tip, when solving, do not skip steps, even if you know the shortcut. In exams, every single step gets its own marks. And if you make a small mistake at the end, the steps you wrote can still save you by getting you a few bonus points for the few steps you did right. Seventh tip, make flashcards for formulas and theorems. Math isn't only about understanding. There's also a lot you need to memorize. And the faster you recall formulas, the faster you solve questions. Flashcards are perfect for this because they're small, simple, and easy to carry around. You can revise formulas on your bed, on the bus, during a break, while eating, anywhere. The more you see the formulas, the better they stick. Eighth tip, create your own questions. After doing enough practice, you'll start noticing the pattern in how exam questions are structured. Use that knowledge to make up your own questions and solve them. It forces you to think like the examiner. And if you can't come up with any, feel free to use AI to generate practice questions for your exact grade level. It's free practice, so why not? Ninth tip, when you make your weekly study timetable, put math multiple times a week. Math is a subject that needs consistency. If you only study math once a week, your brain will forget everything before the next time you touch it. Spread it out. Have math appear at least 3 times in your timetable. And if you don't know how to make a proper study timetable, I already made a whole video about that. I'll link it in the description so you can watch it after this one. 10th tip, if you don't understand something in class, speak up. Asking questions isn't embarrassing. What's more embarrassing is pretending to know everything in a subject when you actually don't know what you're doing. So speak up and pay attention to the teacher's explanation. And if the explanation still isn't clear, no problem. Just go on YouTube. There are hundreds of teachers and teens your age online who can explain the same topic in different ways. One of them will definitely click for you. All right, that's enough talking. Grab your notebook, grab your pen, and start applying these tips in your next math study session today. Your grades will thank you.